Hey guys, Aviation 1549 here, and I'm finally back with another video, and this is of my new model. This is a model review on my newest model. It is an American Airlines 767-300ER with no winglets, and I actually like this aircraft a lot. I think it's amazing. I love bare metal liveries like American, and another cool part of the bare metal is like you can see your face in them, which I think is pretty cool. So I will also be giving a little construction update. Not much has happened with the airport since last I uploaded, but might as well still do it because we might do some stuff to it today because, you know, why not? It's Saturday, I think. It's summer, I've lost track of the days. So, yeah, let's get on with the model review, shall we? So, the gear do not roll. The gear don't roll. Sadly, I like rolling gear, they don't roll. But the registration on it, here if I can get the registration on it is, let me see if you guys can see the registration. Nope. But the registration is November 390 Alpha Alpha for American Airlines. And I will be using this plane in airport updates. I don't know. I like the old livery better, but I don't know. The new livery, I think, is just starting to grow on me. I don't know. Tell me in the comment section, which do you like better? Old or new? Old or new? Anyway, we have nice engines here. CF engines. I think that's what they are. Hold on. They are two CF680C2B6 engines. Oh, whoops. And livery American Airlines. Aircraft type 767-323ER. Construction number, you know what? Now let me see if I can do this for you guys so maybe you guys can read it. Maybe so. Pretty, I don't know if I have the best lighting in here right now. So you guys can pause the video here and read it. Here's like all the stuff down here. I don't know if you guys can read that or not. Anywho, not much to talk about the model. At least I don't think there's much to talk about the model. Sorry about all the shaking. I'm in like a little corner here trying to do this. But you have beautiful engines. I just love the way how the nose, here, let me get it into better lighting. I just love the way how the nose turns out. I love that. Oh my god, that nose, that beautiful nose. Actually, back in 2010, one of them, we actually flew this plane because my dad, he's from Bulgaria. It's a country. It's Eastern Europe off Black Sea. We're actually going there here in like less than a month again. We actually took this very same plane from San Francisco to New York and then New York to London. It was pretty cool. I don't really remember much of it because I was like, what, like 3, 4? But what I do remember is like, I don't want to sound like I'm fibbing here, but like, what I do remember is just watching the plane pull in. And it was like morning, it was like 5 in the morning, it was summer. I remember just seeing the sun come up. This is at San Francisco, so you get good views of the sun. Because it's San Francisco. Anyway, let's get on with like the construction update thing-ish. I don't know. So, I was originally gonna have like Southwest here or something. I don't know, I was originally gonna have like another airline here. But I decided to have United here. United was originally gonna be over there where the Southwest is. So I'm gonna name all the airlines that I'm gonna have at my airport. I'm gonna have domestic airlines like United, Delta, American, A319, 757. Still haven't got them. I gotta do it. Southwest, Alaska, JetBlue, Hawaiian, Frontier, Spirit, I think I'm going to have Spirit. Sun Country, I'm going to try and get. And JetBlue. Yeah, JetBlue. Did I already say JetBlue? I'm not sure. And I think that's about all the airlines that I want. We have our beautiful MD-11s over here. Beautiful MD-11s. And if you guys are wondering, why haven't you uploaded in such a long time? I have a reason. I have been up in Sacramento for past couple weeks and having fun there, so that's why I'm away from my airport, so I can't do much. And the house there is small, so can't really do any like gaming videos like Infinite Flight or stuff like that, because it'll pick up the other noise. And my grandparents love to always leave the TV on, so... And I don't want to go into the bathroom, because then that'd be just weird. So, I'm finally home, just for like a day, and then we're going to head back out. And if I can, I'm going to see if I can do like a little trip report thing. I'm probably just going to try and... I'm probably going to take like video, stop it. But probably not for like the Turkish Airlines flight. I may do like some slight bit of the Turkish Airlines flight, so... I'm going to do a part 1. I'm probably going to do it into 4 parts. Yeah, I'm probably going to do it into 4 parts. And then there's this museum in Strasbourg, I think it is, south of Frankfurt. And it's a huge, like, museum of cars, trains, airplanes. And they have, like, a Concorde there. My God. They have this beautiful thing sitting up. Oh, that beautiful thing. And, my God. And I also have a Burj Khalifa here that I built out of Legos. So, that was really cool. And anyway, not much else to talk about. What I'm going to try and do is this area here. I'm going to try and, so the runway, we're going to try and spray paint that. So we're going to spray paint the runway light gray. You know, this is going to be green here, maybe get some felt. This is going to be dark gray here for the taxiways. And then the ramp, I don't know, it's going to be a mix between light gray and dark gray. But this here, we're going to paint it. We're going to get another 2x4. We're going to put that over there and paint it. Put another one there, paint it. And yeah. Now, this is going to be like the regional section, you know, or like outsider aircraft. Not trying to sound mean there. Just outsider aircraft. Also, up above my bed, I also have a new poster. 747-8. I think that's pretty cool. I love it. My dad got it for me. It's a surprise. So, yeah. Anyway, that's about it. So, bye-bye.